नमस्कार. 54व्या भारतीय आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाच्या या स्पेशल कार्यावळीन तुमकां येवकार. IFFIमध्ये विविध प्रकारचे सेक्शन्स असतात आणि या सेक्शनातलं एक महत्त्वाचं सेक्शन जाका लागून गोंयकारांची जी चित्रपट निर्मितीची जी प्रक्रिया असा ती वर्सानुवर्स वाढत चल्ल्या. त्यातूंतलोच एक फिल्म या वर्सा सिलेक्ट जाला. #मोग या नावाचं फिल्म या वर्सा सिलेक्ट जाल्लो असा. फीचर फिल्म असा, फुल लेंथ फीचर फिल्म असा आणि त्याच फिल्माच्या काही टेक्निकल गजाली जावं फिल्म निर्मितीची प्रक्रिया कशी आशिल्ली या गजालीचेर उलोवपा खातीर फिल्माचे दिग्दर्शक आमच्या वांगडा आसात. निलेश माळकर सर, पयली म्हळ्यार तुमकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. गोवन कॅटेगरीन हो फिल्म सिलेक्ट जाल्लो आसा. तुमकां कशें दिसता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
First of all, I feel कि the Goan film fraternity and the Goan film industry as it is, it's flushing very good. The thing is, we need to give good content. As far as it is considered, we should give good content commercially. So
Right.
commercially, even like the previous films which I made, like Solkari, Kantar, there were like people did ask me question, कि तुका why you want Jackie Shroff. So I said, see, I took him so I can take this film nationally again.
Right.
If I'm supposed to release this film in Delhi, I took this film recently in Delhi, that Soul Curry and all that. So then people come to watch that film because they need a reason to see a film from other state. No doubt, we can promote a film with subtitles also. That is also a part. But making a pan-India film again is a very different. So this time what I did was making #Moog. I roped in a Tamil actor named Bharat Nivas and a Marathi actress from Mumbai that's called Nakshatra Medikar. So I tried to collaborate both of them in the lead pair, and rest other all are the strong pillars are my Goan actors like Manoj Joshi, Salil Naik, Prince Jacob, Libby Mendoza, John Aguiar, all this. And the singers are Sonia Shirsat, Lakshman Naik, Rajesh Madgavkar. And the only thing I roped in a South Indian music director. So at the same time he could take the flavor from the South also and from the Konkani pace also. So I prefer that you watch the film on 26th. So when you will see the visuals, you will hear the songs, you will really appreciate कि okay, we have made at par. So when a commercial, even this same film in other language, when it will be it has been made in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, it automatically goes with the culture. So I kept all the cultures all together to try to make it nationally pan-India. Because see, when I pitched this film with big banner and I spoke with Deepak Bandekar, there was a reason for him again to put money again in a Konkani film. Because the Konkani film for Maharashtra, in Marathi film, you have got centers. Nagpur, Pune, Kolhapur. So at least a producer puts in money and he covers from those center. But in Goa, you don't have a center. You have got North Goa, you have got South Goa. And then you have got 25, 30 theaters. Then how are you going to recover in only the feast, only those festivals, or maybe only displaying at ESG? That will not happen. So the plan was, right, why not we make it pan-India? Why not somebody in the other states also watch the film? Then they need a reason to buy a ticket, to put some 200. Okay. So they say, this is our hero. So they walk in. It is immaterial whether it is primary Konkani film done, but then ultimately it's out in Tamil. Because we have tried to match the lip movements in all the languages. So it will not make a difference. The songs are completely composed for all the 4 sections very separately. So that is another, wonder for the film. But I hope that this, it's not an experiment. This is a big step forward which was been taken by Mr. Deepak Bandekar, Chandan Bandekar to actually make a film at this stage.
Right.
And we have done at par, not huge budget also. Like even I made Jackie work with me in the last 2 films. He didn't charge what he charges in Bollywood. I had to explain even Bharat Nivas also that what. So this cooperation from these actors also, because ultimately film media is completely us together.
Right.
So ultimately the actors also understand ki what they are doing and in which territory actually they are doing the film. So that's how that film happened.
खूप महत्त्वाची गजाल निलेश सरान सांगला की फिल्म ही गोंयपुरती मर्यादित न रावता ही फूल ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया भायरूय वचपाची, जेणे करून फिल्म निर्मितीची जी नॅशनल लेवलारूय वचपाची.
South India.
रायट.
We got all those centers we are covering, like in the Hindi commodity will go to Bombay, Marathi will go to Maharashtra, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, all languages.
सो हेका लागून गोंयचे तरणाटे जे गोंयचे जे एक्टर्स आसात तेय ताका लागून फेमस जावंक शकता, तांकांय भायल्या फिल्माची ऑफर्स बीन येवंक शकता. अशा खुबशा ठिकाणी आमी पळयतात की हो एक्टर कोण, एका मातशें पळोवया ट्राय करून, अशेंय जावंक शकता. सर, दुसरी गजाल म्हळ्यार हॅशटॅग मोग ही जी फिल्म आसा नक्कीच एक वेगळी आनी वेगळ्या कंटेंट दिवपी फिल्म आसतली. निर्मितीची प्रक्रिया आमी विशय उलया की कशा पद्दतीन ही स्टोरी तुमच्या तकलेन येयली, कित्याक तुमीच रायटी आसा.
So the story was actually written by me from quite a long time back. So I've been doing some films in various languages like Hindi, Gujarati languages, Marathi languages. I've been doing always. But then the day I started doing Konkani languages, again I came back to the hometown. So I said it is more advisable, or maybe I'm feeling more close doing a Konkani languages film. So the script which I was bound to do maybe in Hindi or I started making them in Konkani. So today also hashtag move was initially written in Hindi, and then I translated it again back. Then I took Mr. Tommasino Cardozo to write in the lyrics are written by Tommasino. And he has even translated the languages, the dialogues which I have written in Konkani to maintain because there we all, like I told you earlier, it comes with a Sashti Konkani or that other kinds of Konkani. So you have to maintain that which Konkani we actually have to go with. So these all things actually made a lot of differences, and then the whole thing was cultivated nicely.
सर, आणि एक गजाल म्हळ्यार आमचे जे गोंयचे जे कलाकार आसात खुबशा फावटी अशें दिसता की तांकां एक्टिंगाच्या बाबतींत खुबशे फावटी जज केल्ले गेले वयता. तुमकां कसो अनुभव आसा? सगळे गोंयचे जे तरणाटे आमचे ह्या फिल्मान आसा तुमच्या, त्यांचो बद्दलचो अनुभव प्रोडक्शनाचेर सेटाचेर कसो एक्सपिरियन्स आसलो तुमकां?
The actors are very professional. I have worked with one of the best actors here, like Manoj Joshi. He literally is like method actor. If you will see him in real life, he is a very lean and muscular guy. He put on about 10 to 12 pages to become a father in the film, and he has done an outstanding work. If you will watch the film and you will see Manoj maybe on the premiere day, you will say, "Are you that guy?" Salil also has done a fantastic job. He is also a one-take actor. Your John Aguiar, Libby Mendoza, and Prince Jacob, of course, I salute, he has done a cameo, but his entry in the church and the dialogue delivery, what he about the germ actually of the film is actually spoken by him. So he has done a fantastic job again in there.
सर, फिल्म निर्मितीची प्रक्रिया जे प्रोडक्शन असता, कितके दिसाचे प्रोडक्शन चलताले शूटिंगाचे?
I've always been like from my beginning days, I try to wind up my film within 4 months. My first print is out on the 4th month. Even this Moog also, you talk about Sholkari, Kantar and any other Marudas or whatever I've done, Shadow, like 4 months, because the day I start shoot, from that day my edit also starts in the same room, adjoining me. So by the second month, the whole film is locked after showing the producers. They like it, they want some change. Then immediately my post production starts, and this time it was fantastic that I had a post production completely done in Goa, because Big Banner has their own post production. So the DI was done here, the 5.1 sound was done here, everything. You will really love this. You will wonder whether you will be shocked. This is not done in Bombay. This is done in Goa. So they have a very good facility here. So I think I was here for about 4 to 5, 6 months actually. I was staying there and completed the film exactly on the 4 months, because there was another target for me that my censorship should be before 31st August. Right. So that was my another reason. So I had to again go back for that.
सो अशा पद्धतीने ही गोव्यात पूर्णपणे गोव्यात तयार केलेली फिल्म आहे. शूटिंग त्याच्यानंतर पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची बाजू, की बऱ्याचशा फिल्मसाठी आपल्याला गोव्याच्या बाहेर म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रात असेल, मुंबई पुण्यात असेल, इथे जाऊन पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन करावं लागतं. पण हॅशटॅग मोग हा चित्रपट पूर्णपणे गोव्यात बनवलं गेलेलं आहे आणि त्याचं पोस्ट प्रोडक्शनसुद्धा गोव्यामध्ये बनवलं गेलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे येत्या 26 तारखेला हा चित्रपट नक्कीच आयनॉक्समध्ये किंवा मॅक्युनिस पॅलेसमध्ये प्रदर्शित होणार आहे, स्क्रीनिंग होणार आहे. आणि त्याच्या आधी 24 तारखेला आपल्या कलाकारांसोबत रेड कार्पेट असणार आहे. रेड कार्पेट बघायला या आणि फिल्म देखील बघायला या. हॅशटॅग मोग.
And very soon by Jan or Feb, it will be a complete all over. Yeah, it will be a proper theatrical, big, huge release. First Goa state, then Tamil, then Bombay, all states. Yeah. So those ads and promos will start running, then people will come to know. But I would definitely say कि automatically this film has to go by word of mouth. Rather than me telling and convincing people, please you come and watch the film, come and watch the film. Because that is not the way to promote the film. I have to judge and believe my own, the thing that I have made, that people like it, and by way of mouth, at least you should go for once and see. So I hope it happens that way, and I hope audiences like it. And I'm looking forward that Konkani films also flourish in the future. We have got good directors here, we have got excellent actors here, and I'm looking forward to work with all of them. Thank you.
खूप खूप धन्यवाद. तुम्ही आम्हाला भेटून माहिती दिलीत आणि प्रेक्षकांना देखील एक आवाहन केलं की चित्रपट बघण्यासाठी नक्की या. खूप खूप धन्यवाद.